So what I'm trying to do now is try not to get caught on the microphone wire. All right. I'm not sure about being able to remove these wires and solder them back on the new board. So I'm trying to remove the fan off of the bracket that's screwed in there. So you can see this side is loose here. I just took a 7/64 drill bit and drilled out the heat rivet. So now I'm going to try and do these other ones and see if I can get the fan off. If that works, then I'll have to do the same thing with the new one here. Right, I'll have to take the fan off of there. Then I'll put this in, and I'll have to reattach the fan with some little screws. So there we go, number 2. So here you can see closer, that's the one that I got off so far. Now I'll try and do the other ones. There's not a lot of risk here, because if this doesn't work, if I damage the frame or whatever you call it that's in here, that has to come out anyway if this doesn't work. So it's not a lot of risk. Trying to not to push on any other components here. I have to hold this thing, but I don't want to damage anything else. And if this drill slips, I don't really want to put it through my finger. Two of the 4 are now loose. Where's a little? Do I have one that's a little bigger? Is this wider? Might need a little bigger screwdriver. Yeah, I need a little bigger screwdriver. I don't have anything else right here, do I? I got this. This one. Is this thing on? Why is it not focusing? Fuck, why is it not focusing? There it goes. Alright, well, while the camera's in my hand now, maybe I can show you closer. If it'll focus in there. No. Hold on.